AMG V8. Nice oil. Ah. Oh, oil. New AMG parts. Oh yeah. Special AMG air filters. Original AMG by Manfilter. Recycle. Manfilter, original AMG. Oh yeah. Good for minus 30 degrees. Check brake fluid. Not good. Cabin air filter for ladies so that they don't smell the caca from the moo. What is this? Handset accessory. Made in Finland. Nokia, best quality. Dirty boy. Never changed since 1997. So much dirt. Old, new, clean as well. Oh yes, perfect. Best product. New copper washer. Clean. Good. Tons of oil. Later use as diesel fuel. Perfect. Be careful. Mobil 1, 0W40, gasoline and diesel. Keeps engines performing like new. Perfect!